The previous generation bundle Gears 5 Ultimate Edition. Full game downloads of Gears of War. UE Gears of War 2, 3, 4. Month trial of Xbox Game Pass. Month of Xbox Live Gold. If purchased through Xbox All Access, enjoy low monthly payments for 24 months, no upfront cost, access to over 100 high-quality games and online multiplayer. Plus console upgrade option. Campaign. Follow Kait Diaz on a journey to discover her family connection to the enemy and the true danger to Sera herself. Escape. Outrun the bomb, outsmart the swarm, escape the hive. Versus. 11 game modes, new maps and rewards for everyone. Horde. Conquer the Horde by building defenses, collecting power, leveling up your skills and working as a team. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. This is my first Xbox that I own, not the first-time user of one. I really like that the update on it while setting it up makes it look more organized. Not the same as my son, but I like it. Would recommend it to anyone. I was kinda worried that it would be pre-opened due to the comments, but it looked like it has never been opened. The box it was shipped in was not damaged, so that was a huge weight off my shoulders. I have only played it once due to the games I wanted are still being downloaded, very slow internet in my area. Still worth the buy.